undergoes with 4 stages. ठीक है? Name 4 stages without seeing your copy. Remember the names now.
Prophase, anaphase, metaphase, telophase.
Right sequence: prophase,
Anaphase,
then metaphase. This is what I was asking whether I told upside down. Metaphase, anaphase,
anaphase, telophase.
and telophase. And telophase. ठीक है? We'll see one by one what happens in prophase. First phase. See, this phase is known as multiplication phase. So what will happen in this phase? There will be karyokinesis, that means division of nucleus first, and then cytokinesis, that is the nuclear division will be followed by cytoplasmic division. ठीक है? Which one is first one? Cytoplasmic division or nucleus division? First nucleus device and then cytoplasmic device. ठीक है? So what happens in prophase? Prophase means the first phase of multiplication stage. ठीक है? What happens? Here is a cell. Inside it, there is a central compartment known as nucleus. ठीक है? If the organism is eukaryotic, this nucleus is covered by two membrane. ठीक है? This membrane is known as nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. ठीक है? Nuclear envelope. ठीक है? So what will happen? The chromatin means the dense condensed DNA is compactly arranged inside the nucleus. Compactly arranged. This time we call it chromatin. ठीक है? So which event will take place over here? Now the cell has to divide. है ना? DNA also has to be divided. When it will divide, it will form small fragments or small parts. Those small fragments or parts are known as chromosomes. ठीक है? So which events will take place over here? First, the nuclear membrane will start disappearing. ठीक है? So nuclear membrane will disappear. That will be the first event we will be seeing. Second, all the cell organelle will disappear. The chromatin, which is arranged inside the nuclear membrane, is very compactly arranged. ठीक है? So that compactly arrangement is known as condensation. So now opposite will take place because it will come out of the nuclear membrane. So we will call decondensation of chromatin. So here now decondensation of chromatin material will take place. ठीक है? So these are the events we will be seeing during prophase of mitosis. ठीक है? The nuclear membrane will start disappearing because the chromatin has to come out. Now the chromatin is very compactly arranged, that is, it is very condensely present over there. So it will convert into decondensed form. Then the cell organelles means what? The endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, है ना? These all organelles will start disappearing because now there is no role of cell organelles are here. Only nuclear division will take place and cytoplasmic division will take place. So there is no role of cell organelles, so they all will disappear. ठीक है? Clear? Now the next event is metaphase. What happens in metaphase? ठीक है? Second stage is metaphase in cell division. See, this is cell. Now the nuclear membrane has been disappeared. ठीक है? And the chromatin thread has been arranged like this. Small fragments. These fragments are known as chromosomes. another organelle which you might have learned in 11th class, centriole, which is present in this region. It will start dividing and half will go to the upward region and half will go to the downward region. That means centriole will appear, it will divide into two direction and move to the north pole and south pole of the cell. ठीक है? And some rays-like structure will appear from this centriole and it will arrange like this and attach the chromosomes with it. ठीक है? This attachment is known as spindle fiber. ठीक है? So which event are taking place? One, chromosome will appear. Then centriole divides and move to poles. ठीक है? Then spindle ray or spindle fiber will appear. And later on, what will happen after a certain period of time? All these chromosomes will arrange themselves in equator region. Equator means what? This center part of the cell. With centriole appearing together. Okay? So later in metaphase only we will see that chromosomes or these pair of homologous chromosomes, this is known as homologous chromosome. Okay, why it is homologous? Because the pairs are present in same cell. Okay, so homologous. Heterologous means when we are talking about the two different chromosomes of two cells. Okay, so these homologous chromosomes will arrange in equator. These are the events that will appear during metaphase. Okay? If I ask you at what phase the number of chromosomes can be counted of any organism, every organism shows the process of cell division, cell cycle. At which stage of that cell cycle you will be able to count the number of chromosomes in that organism. So that phase is metaphase. Okay? So the total number of chromosomes we can count in metaphase. Because before that it was present inside the cell like a thread. Okay? So it was not appearing properly. Okay? So at that time it was single thread. So no chromosomes were divided, no parts were fragmented, and no little pieces of chromatin thread was there. So that time it was chromatin. That chromatin was DNA. Now it has been converted into small fragments or small parts, so we call it chromosomes. And these chromosomes will be converted into the number of parts every organism have, the same as the number of chromosomes. Okay? If this is a single thread of 2 millimeter, then how many parts it will divide into? 46, because every organism will have 46 chromosomes in human beings, so it will divide into 46 parts. Okay? And appear like that. Okay, clear this part? And in late metaphase, what is happening? All the chromosomes are, or homologous pair of chromosomes are arranging themselves in the equator region. Okay, that is the sign of metaphase, that all the chromosomes will be present over here. That time we called it metaphase. But all these events are also taking place at the same time. Okay, clear? Okay, then what will happen? Later this much written.
The spider.
Hmm?
Polar attract
क्या बोल रहे आप? I didn't get your question.
chromatids are chromosomes को nuclei की तरफ attract करते हैं
Nuclei
पोल की तरफ
क्या बोल एनाफेज बोल रहे हो आप? इसके बाद वाला स्टेज. हाँ. Clear option is not done. ठीक है. Now third phase is anaphase. ठीक है. What will happen in that condition or in that phase? Centrioles are here. Spindle rays are appearing from here. And at the same time, what will happen? The two chromosomes will split from each other, okay, and start moving towards the pole. Now what is happening? Centrioles are here, spindle fiber is here. Now the chromosomes divide from each other and move towards the pole. Separately move towards the pole. Half to the upper region and half to the lower region. ठीक है? And in late phase, you will see this kind of arrangement. Chromosomes are totally moved towards the polar region. ठीक है? Towards the polar region in late anaphase. ठीक है? And which event we will be seeing over here? First, chromosomes divide, not divide but separate from each other. They started moving towards pole. Okay. Secondly, now there is no use of spindle fiber on centriole because they don't need to held together the chromosomes in center or anywhere. Okay. So what will happen? Now the centriole will start disappearing. There will be no spindle fiber at this time. ठीक है. So anaphase is a phase where the homologous chromosomes separate from each other, move towards the polar region. The other parts like centriole or astral rays or spindle fiber will start disappearing because their work has been over, so they don't have to do any work. This is the anaphase phase where we will see all these events happening. Done everyone? हाँ. Done? Okay. Now what will happen in next phase? Next phase is telomerase. here first the cell will start dividing completely. ठीक है, cell division here will take place, cytokinesis will take place in two different methods in both plants and animals. ठीक है, in animals what happens, the cell furrow formation takes place, cell furrow. ठीक है, while in plants cell plate formation takes place. ठीक है, cell furrow is what, this kind of condition will be generated and the cells will divide like this. ठीक है, this is known as cell furrow. While in case of cell plate, if this was the division of cell going on, then what will happen, a plate will be formed over here. ठीक है, the upper one will be separated from the lower one with the help of cell plate formation. ठीक है, so here the cytokinesis in telophase will takes place separately in a different mode both in animals and plants. ठीक है, this method is the cell furrow method, that is in animals. All animal cell will divide by cell furrow. ठीक है, while all plant cell will divide by cell plate method. One plate is formed in the center and the cell divide into two equal half. ठीक है, this is telophase. ठीक है, and in telophase what will happen, you will see the number of chromosomes like this remain constant in each cell like in the beginning. So what events will be occurring in this phase? Cytokinesis will take place. ठीक है, differently in animals and plant. In animals cell furrow method, plant cell plate method. ठीक है, cytokinesis will take place. In the beginning of prophase, all the cell organelles will disappear. ठीक है, it was disappeared because they had no role over there. But now what will happen? The cell organelles will form again. है ना? Cell organelles will appear now. ठीक है. What was the another thing that was disappeared in prophase? That has to be appear here. See, if these are the cell, है ना, and the chromosomes are inside, they are also packed inside a double membrane structure, ना? That is nuclear membrane. So here the nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope will reappear. Understood what is happening in telophase? Finally, the cell, one cell will divide into two equal size cell with two equal number of chromosomes. ठीक है, because it is a equational division. Equational, the number of new cells will be clone copy. New cells are clone copies. Exact shape and size. Along with same number of chromosomes. So at the end of telophase, you will see that our one cell is divided into two equal cells. Same shape, size, same number of chromosomes. Equational. So understood what is the difference in cytokinesis of plant and animal cell? Both have different method of separation. Cell furrow method and cell plate method. And whatever organelles, membrane were disappearing in prophase, they will reappear again in telophase. Okay, so here our mitosis will end the multiplication phase. What is the time period of multiplication phase in the whole cell cycle?
24 hours.
In that, the phase for M phase, see, it will, the cell division occur in two phases, na? Interphase
M phase.
and M phase. Na? Okay, so 95% of time cell stays in the interphase and last 5% they stays or spend in M phase. So M phase is a very fast phase. The most of the time the cell has taken is in interphase. Okay, clear? ऐसा दिन का कोई घंटा जिस टाइम आपको नींद नहीं आती हो, ऐसा कोई सेकंड किसी दिन हाँ मैं आपको देखना चाहती हूँ that condition. No, or all the time you